Hi Raiders, this is Miss Walters. I know this is very weird seeing me from your computer screen, but this is our new reality. There is a lot of moving pieces with remote digital learning that is going on daily and through CMS. I just want to thank you for your patience and being supportive. Okay, I promise that we'll get through this. Okay, we're all in this together, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through some of the things that I have learned this week so that I can keep you updated with what's going to go on with our classes moving forward. So, CMS will be closed for the next 2 weeks. And the plan is that we will start digital learning on Monday, the 23rd. Okay? And with that being said, okay, I will make sure that you will have all the materials and all the resources that you need moving forward. Okay, and through this slideshow that I have, I'm just going to talk about a few points and to make you understand of how these next few weeks are going to look like. Okay, so we're digital learning from home. Again, this is new to us, but this is our new reality, and we will work through it together, I promise. Okay, so student expectations week 1, so that is this week, okay, this week only. Okay, obtain access to technology. So if something is wrong with your Chromebook, you don't have a Chromebook charger, okay, you need a device or something else is going on that you need assistance with, you need to contact me directly at my email, and I will be able to send that to the appropriate channels like Mr. Van Bauer so that we can give you the resources that you need. Okay, so please reach out to me if you need any access to technology, you need your Chromebook, it's at the school, you left it. Okay, please let me know as soon as possible so I can reach out to Mr. Van Bauer and let him know so that we can get that taken care of. Okay, the next one, turn in any late or missing work. Okay, I have updated PowerSchool. Okay, I know that turning in any late or missing work is difficult right now given that we're at home and there's a lot of moving pieces, and I've updated PowerSchool. If you would like to go on there and check, you can. I don't want you guys to worry about anything up to this point. So any current assignments, just hold off on that for a while. I know on Friday I passed out the Module 4 for the L curriculum for ELA and Hidden Figures. Okay, please don't touch that material yet because moving forward with next week when we start on Monday for digital learning, it will all be review material. Okay, we're going to be going over concepts and other ideas that we've already learned, and we are not touching any new material. So I know you have Hidden Figures and the new Module 4 workbook for ELA, okay, but set that off to the side. We're not worrying about that right now, okay, because next week on Monday, all we're doing is review, okay? So I know many of you were excited to start reading Hidden Figures, but kind of put that on the back burner right now, okay, because we're not going to touch it. Communicate with your teachers via email, Google, Canvas, etc. So you all know my email. It is on the Randolph website and it is on the Google sites. I have been doing the best that I can, sending out reminds, our group email that we have, and on the Google sites. I will make sure to put any new information that I have on all of those platforms, okay? And if you, parent, student, if you have any questions, please just reach out to me. You all know my email at this point. Again, a lot of moving pieces. So if you're asking me a question I really cannot answer, I'll send it to Mr. Van Bauer and then he can send it above him because we do still have other questions, but they have not been addressed at this point. But I will do the best that I can to answer any of your questions. Okay, students, this is where it pays off to have a cell phone and texting your friends. Yes, I know you do it. I've seen you in class. Okay, I told you to put your phone away. So now is the perfect time to be able to message your friends and making sure that you guys are holding each other accountable. Okay, hey, did you check the Google Sites this week? You know, just make sure that you're checking in with each other. Okay, you guys know that I'm a huge advocate for peer learning. So if there's a question that you want to ask your friend and not me regarding any material, please do it. Okay, reach out. It's very, very important, and you're not in this alone. That's a very, very important message that I really want to send to you. I'm learning just like you are right now, and I know it can be scary, but we're all in this together. So we will get through it, I promise. Okay, so student expectations week 2. So that is starting Monday. Okay, starting Monday. So my first bullet point is follow the student suggestions for remote learning. I will link this slideshow onto my Google site so you can look at this document. Okay. So CMS student suggestions for remote learning. Suggested amount of time, so minutes engaged in optional supplemental learning per course per week. Okay, so we're looking right here, 6th through 8th. We have 90 minutes per week, okay? And I would look through this entire document. It helps you with staying organized, how I stay connected, what are opportunities as a part of remote learning. Okay, so I think it's very important for parents and students to look at this document. Okay, and I will make sure to put that on my Google Sites with this slideshow link so that you all can see it. Check Canvas or other online platforms for supplemental assignments and resources regularly. Okay, so again, remind our group email, Google Sites. I will make sure it goes out whenever I have any new information. Okay, I've been doing the best that I can at this point. And starting Monday of next week, whenever we start our virtual online learning, I will make sure that it is detailed, the directions and information that you need, so you know exactly where to go if it's Canvas, if it's Google Sites. Okay, I will let you know exactly what you need to do, and I will have those materials for you. Okay, so please do not worry about that. Pay attention to possible check-ins offered by your teachers. Okay, I may email you or create a Google form where you check in with me and submit it, and I can look at your response. In the future, I do see myself creating a Google Meet where we all will be able to see each other virtually, which is kind of cool because, again, I haven't seen you in a while, and I think it would be pretty awesome for us to see each other. Again, I don't have enough details about that yet. That is a possibility in the future, and if that does happen, I will give you the information where you need to go, the proper link. Okay, so that is an option in our future. Put in your best effort and reach out to collaborate with your peers. Again, texting each other, okay, holding each other accountable. That's very, very important. Okay, stay in the loop with your friends. Get other people's phone numbers. Try to get everybody who's in our classroom. Okay, that would be awesome. Okay, because you all know that I advocate that we are a community and we're all in this together. So please make sure that you're checking up on your classmates. Self-advocate. Reach out to teachers, counselors, family members, and peers when you need any help for any reason. Okay, so you can reach out to me. The counselor, Ms. Walters, okay, her email is also on the Randolph website. If you need to reach out to her, she will respond. Peers, so again, you need to be creating group chats with each other, okay, making sure that you guys are holding each other accountable. I think that's very, very important, okay, and just staying connected with each other. Again, this is a really strange time. And with any new information I have, I will try to update it and let you know as soon as possible. Again, a lot of moving pieces. And I'm learning right along with you. but I promise you that we will get through this, okay? And again, if 2 weeks, okay, if the 2 weeks is up and then schools are still closed after that, we will be using Canvas as the platform, okay? And I just want everybody to be aware of that, but that is after the 2 weeks, okay? We don't know anything about that yet. Of course, we have to wait and see how everything goes. But I do want you to know in the future, if it does happen, it will be Canvas, okay? So I'm glad that we're all familiar with that. We know how to use it, okay? So we'll be able to go through that smoothly in that transition. It will be good because you've all seen it at the beginning of the year. Whenever I uploaded stuff, I was always on Canvas. So that makes me feel good that we used Canvas at the beginning of the year. So now it's paying off. Again, I miss you guys. It's really weird looking into a camera and not looking at your faces. I do miss you. Please stay safe. Read a good book. Find a good movie or show to watch. If anybody wants to give me suggestions to any series that they're watching, email me because I would love to binge watch something before we start on Monday. Okay. Again, parents, thank you so much for your patience. Again, this is a very rare time for us, and I thank you for all of your support and supporting me through the year. It has been a tough year for us, especially with our team, given the circumstances, but we will make it through, I promise. I appreciate you all, and I will send later information this week. Okay, bye guys, stay safe.